would you agree that music is timeless? We know that it is a reflection of the expression of the harmony of the spheres, that everything vibrates, and that human beings eventually, wishing to manifest the world that was more timeless than the expressed one of vibration, tried to bring forth that which would reveal the world that was timeless within themselves. You understand? And yet, when I'm listening to music, if that's the case, I just love this one, Papa was a rolling stone, when the rhythm or the song or whatever it is, you'd look down and something's moving and you didn't know it was even doing that. Right? Because something in you is expressing in time the time of that song. Something is expressing in time the movement, so that I am moved by that which is timeless, but I couldn't be moved by what is timeless unless what is timeless held the movement. That's a pretty good description of what it means to have double attention. Because if I'm purely present, if I'm actually here, I'm aware of all of the movement, but all of the movement, everything that's passing, including the reactions, are unfolding within a reflection that is still, that has to be still in order to capture the movement.